Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Chimp. Today I will show you how to use the snipping tool in Windows for screenshot. So let's start. Go to search and type in the snipping tool. Click on it. After opening this app, you can see we have multiple options. First option is used to take screenshots. Send snip option will take photo screenshot. The third option will record screen video. On the fourth option, you can select the area shape for the screenshot, like rectangle, windows, full screen, or freeform. If you select rectangle in it, then it will take a screenshot in rectangle shape. And the last option is used when you want to take a screenshot after some time. You can take a screenshot after a 10-second delay. Let's do a live demo by taking screenshots. Click on the new button. As you can see, it is asking you to select the shape of selection tool. I am currently going to take a rectangle shape. I am selecting an area for a screenshot. So you can see the screenshot has been taken. After taking a screenshot, there are some more options activated. Let's use the first option, ballpoint pen. Click on it and select the color of the pen. I'm going with red. Now you can create anything on this image with this ballpoint. Click on the eraser button to erase this marker. Let's select highlighter to highlight any text or anything. Again, if you want to erase this, click Eraser and select Highlighter. It will erase it. The third option is Ruler. Through Ruler, one scale is visible. Places anywhere to scale. Image Crop option. Through this option, you can resize screenshots like this. In the Text Actions option, you can select all text from screenshot. Click on the Copy All Text button to copy text from the screenshot. Click on the Paste button to paste it on Notepad. You can see all the text has been pasted into the text box. In the drop-down option, you can select an email address or phone number to copy. Click on the eighth option to edit this screenshot in Paint. So now that the Paint app has been opened, you can modify anything in this screenshot, like adding shapes, colors, and texts. Let's save to save this image. Click on File options, select Save As, and then select the image format from the list. It will ask you for your location to save this image. Go to Desktop. You can see the file has been saved here. So guys, you can also use the snipping tool to take screenshots and add many functionalities to them. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for future updates.